A magnitude 10.7 earthquake has been spotted in Tonga. We think a 5.5-mile tall tsunami will hit California, Oregon, Washington, Hawaii, and many other states. We will start evacuating people in 20 minutes. The time until the tsunami starts is on screen. Stay safe and hide in a basement. Gather food, water, a cell phone, a charger, and seal off all doors and windows. That's all. We will keep you updated. The time estimated was wrong. We only have 2.5 hours left. We will show a live view of where the tsunami in the corner. Hawaii, Tonga, Midway, Samoa, and Kiribati have all sunk. Again, hide in a basement and gather food, water, a cell phone, and a charger. Your normal programming will resume shortly. Stay safe, West Coasters. The tsunami has struck San Francisco. The western U.S. will be gone on May 9th. Evacuate to the east or hide in a basement. In 2 hours, California will be gone and sunk into the ocean. Nevada will sink after California does. Cracks have formed around Nevada, and Nevada is splitting from the mainland U.S. and sinking slowly. This is not good. Evacuate quickly. We need to stop this tsunami quickly.
The West Coast is now ocean. This is bad.
Hello, I'm in Denver. Everyone is screaming and the city is flooding.